What's up, y'all? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you. Hey y'all, if y'all didn't catch my last video where I was talking about Feuling makes some awesome part. This is a cam plate that's going to help with this 128 build right here. This is going to be a monster. Check out this aluminum right here. The cam plate, that is awesome right there. Check out the color, man. The craftsmanship is great. And we have the oil pump from Feuling, made in the USA, y'all. That's gonna be awesome. And I have the Feuling bearing right here. This gonna help. This is what the cam go into, and it's gonna help this boy pump some juice, y'all. And I had a cam right here. I'm not gonna tell you what cam it is right now, but y'all, you make sure you click the like, share, subscribe button for me, and you will see this amazing build going on right here. And we hope we have great numbers. You know what? We are gonna have great numbers. Until the next time, the next ground, we out.